Hello everyone, hope you're fine and doing well. Today I'm here with a new topic in which I will explain about the portable hotspot in your Redmi 12 and 12 Pro. Firstly, if you are new to the channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon so you can get the new videos. Now let's move towards the topic. Today's video topic is about the portable hotspot setting and about the portable hotspots. Just follow the steps as I'm showing in the video and watch complete videos so you can understand about the portable hotspot in Mi 12 and 12 Pro. Let's watch the video.